Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, why last year more than 900,000 people got their visas and permits expired, and this year also it's gonna be more than that. Now what I would, it's a request, okay? It's not a suggestion, it's a request. Whoever is going through this, if you are looking for options, be very careful, okay? Many people have chosen wrong options by falling into fake immigration consultants' hand and later have lost everything. You can go to social media and everywhere and search. So if you need genuine immigration advice, make sure you go to genuine immigration consultant. You can check their information online on IRCC site and find out if the immigration consultant you are in touch with is genuine or not, because they are educated, they know the changes, they know the process. If you go to unlicensed and fake consultants, even authorities will not be able to take any actions against them, because many times they are located out of Canada and they communicate inside Canada. So be very careful. Second thing I would request, that please do not do anything wrong that you're not supposed to, because if you breach your visa conditions, you could be in a bigger trouble. You could face a ban or anything. If you go back now, and without breaking any rule, any law, any visa condition, you have every chance to come back in future with some other options, and that's the best you can do in this situation, as per my opinion. Okay, again, this is just my personal advice. Neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. In case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. That's what I would say. It's a very small request, I would say. Rest is up to you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.